protection is a vital part of our defense. As technology evolves, new, more challenging threats defy the effectiveness of our legacy sensors. Complementing radar technology, the innovative teams at Rafael have developed a unique, high-resolution electro-optical sensor array that enables to detect, track, and classify even the most elusive threats. Sky Spotter. Today, more than ever, radar systems and air defense batteries are a critical factor in protecting the airspace, but suffer from crucial vulnerabilities, such as stealth aircraft, low-altitude flight and evasive maneuvers, detection of small targets, lack of visual identification, countermeasures and electronic warfare. Above all, radars are emitting sensors which makes them conspicuous to the enemy. Sky Spotter stretches a network of passive and powerful electro-optical sensors for automatic detection, investigation, and visual ID of any suspicious aerial target.
Target in sight.
In situations where radar struggles to detect due to low-altitude maneuvers through clutter noise, stealth technology, or counter-electronic warfare, and where air defense batteries require fast identification or immediate retaliation, Sky Spotter's static, wide field of view sensors easily detects targets, allowing flight pattern tracking and protection of airspace, regardless of any countermeasure. Plus, with its passive sensors, Sky Spotter ensures no detection by hostile enemy forces.
Target located.
Powerful narrow field of view sensors are then pointed to provide visual ID, investigation, and tracking of targets at ranges exceeding tens of kilometers, day and night. Sky Spotter uses advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to automatically identify the object and reduce the workload on the operator. The unique feature of visual ID and automatic classification is truly a game changer in the airspace control situation awareness and air defense batteries arena. The ability to see objects, separate them, classify, and identify them using an artificial intelligence learning system offers an unparalleled advantage. In defensive applications, Sky Spotter can be used to verify interception and battle damage assessments. Innovation often reveals itself as the simplest, most efficient solution. Sky Spotter seals the airspace by complementing legacy sensors at their vulnerable points, ensuring that no target, no matter how small or devious, sneaks under the radar. Passive, accurate, immune. Sky Spotter, airspace brought to EO senses.